The man feels cold while bathing. He summons flames to heat the bathtub. Diga wants to enjoy a hot bath. He takes out a toy gun and shoots at the tub. He presses a button and the ceiling opens. The bathtub's water temperature rises quickly. Diga feels thirsty. The showerhead sprays cooler. After eating and drinking, Diga feels bored. A rubber duck drops from the ceiling. Diga can now relax in the bath. He finds the towel in the living room. The towel falls into the tub unexpectedly. He uses a hairdryer to dry himself. Do you prefer baths or showers? Press 1 if you like baths.